In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Canva. If you've ever tried to adjust tiny design details, line things up more precisely, or check spacing on text and graphics, you already know how helpful zooming can be. Working too far away from your canvas can make even simple edits feel frustrating. So in this guide, I'll walk you through the easiest ways to zoom in and move around your design smoothly. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to canva.com. Once Canva loads, sign in if needed, and from the main homepage, click the Create a Design button in the top right corner. This will open the menu where you can choose the type of project you want to work on. Next, pick the canvas size that fits your project. For example, you might choose a presentation layout for a widescreen design, or a portrait social media post if you're creating something for mobile viewing. Once your blank design opens, it's a good idea to turn on margins so you can better understand the safe area of your layout. To do that, go to File, then View Settings, and select Show Margins. This gives you a clearer frame of reference while you work. Now let's focus on the main zoom controls. In the bottom right corner of the Canva workspace, you'll see the zoom area with a percentage readout and a slider. You can click and drag the slider to the right to zoom in gradually, which is useful when you want more control. You can also click the percentage box to choose preset zoom levels like 100%, 200%, or fit, which quickly adjusts the canvas to your screen. If you want a faster method, Canva also supports zooming with your mouse or trackpad. On Windows, hold the Control key and scroll your mouse wheel upward. On Mac, hold the Command key and scroll upward. If you're using a laptop trackpad, use a two-finger pinch-out gesture to zoom in naturally. You can also use keyboard shortcuts for even quicker adjustments. Press Control or Command together with the plus key to zoom in step by step. Press Control or Command with the minus key to zoom back out. And when you're zoomed in closely and need to move around the page, hold down the space bar. Then click and drag to pan across the canvas without interrupting your workflow. Before exporting, zoom back out and review your full design. Move elements around as needed and watch for Canva's alignment guides to help everything snap into place. And when you're finished, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG as your file type and click Download again to save your design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.